the African man.
Yes, right.
All right, tell me.
Yes.
Where you know this man from?
I don't actually know him personally. See, some people at work turned me on to him.
What up, gang? I'm gonna tell y'all the steps y'all need to take to get a bag, a real bag, and to just get up, and stop being broke and shit. I'm gonna tell y'all how to get on. First of all, if you really want to get on, if you see right now, hustlers, if you a hustler, you gonna try to get it anyway. You know what I mean? You gonna try to get you a job, you gonna trap if you got to, you gonna buy a course, learn, you gonna learn from stocks, you gonna do anything it takes to get a bag. And as y'all see right now, I'm at work. This is my job. I work at a cleaning company. As y'all can see right here, I got my little cleaning cart. I clean the schools. That's my little cart. I got some time, so I'm on break, so I'm gonna just spit some game in the yard right quick. So yeah, if you're a real hustler, you're gonna get it by any means. You're gonna get it by any means. It don't matter what it is. You really gotta get up off your ass if you wanna get a bag. You gotta get up off your ass and really get to it. You can't be sitting around waiting on nobody. You can't be sitting around just hoping, wishing, praying, and dreaming. Cause shit, don't none come, you can't be asleep. You gotta wake up and get to that bag. Cause don't none come to a sleeper but a dream, nigga. You gotta get up off your ass and really get to a bag if you wanna really become something out here. Fuck it, if you gotta work a little job just to stack some paper, do that. Stack your paper, work a job, stack your paper, then invest that money into something that'll make you more money. You can't just and just not one job gonna get you on. You gotta be having you can't be out here partying, drinking every day, smoking every day, chilling on a block every day, going to bars and all that every day. That ain't gonna get you nowhere in life for real. You gotta really grind out here. It's motherfuckers on Instagram giving free game, how to get money off credit and shit. Go start watching little clips and reels on Instagram and on TikTok. They giving you different things for you to get a bag if you really don't want to work. They giving you things get your credit right. Maybe you could start getting, money from your credit, from these banks. You could start a YouTube channel if you want to make some money. It might take a while, but you build it up. You feel me? That's what I'm doing. I ain't making no money off of this. I'm just trying it out, see how it go. I got a job. I invest into the money I make from my job. I invest into stocks and things like that. Investments that'll make me more money. I invest in, I got good credit, so I can go to the bank and get a little card or something with a couple dollars on there. Cause I worked up to it, you know what I mean? I could go pull out 5, 10K out the bank cause I done worked, I done got off my ass and I really grinded for this shit. So, man, you ain't gotta be no street nigga. You ain't gotta do none of that shit if you wanna get to a bag. You ain't gotta do none of that shit for real. You just get off your ass, go grind. You know what I mean? Get you a job. Shit, there's so many ways for you to make money out here. Even if you don't want to stay at your job long, fuck it. Stack some paper up from your job and just put that shit in stocks. Put a little $5, $10, $20. Every time you get paid, put that shit into stocks. You know what I mean? Start you a little LLC and then build your credit up and then get you money from your credit. You could fund your business from credit. So if your credit is good and you start an LLC, you could walk into a bank and they'll give you a loan for your LLC. You know what I mean? It's a lot of different ways for you to get bread out here. Or if you got $10, $15, $20. Buy one of these courses that they keep promoting so bad and you don't understand what the fuck they talk about. Buy you a course. Get you a little course and they gonna put you on all these different courses put you on to different things. And if you a hustler, you gonna learn different things. If you good at sports and you good at guessing what team gonna win, fucking start sports betting. Make your paper off of betting sports and shit. This money shit, you really could get on off the shit. You don't have to be broke. You don't have to be really out here just fucked up. Cause there's so many ways for you to get money. And say you are a trapper. You take your profit, invest that shit into stocks and shit. And then your money will be making more money for you instead of you just keep re-up, keep flipping. That shit ain't getting you where all that nickel and diamond and shit, that shit ain't gonna get you nowhere. Not in today's time. Inflation high as shit. And if you ain't got no money at all and you just starting from zero, then you might wanna go door to door, figure out your trash day, the day all the trash go out, everybody trash go out. Go door to door and ask them, can you take their trash out for $5 or $10? If you do that and you got 10 houses, then you got $100. If you do that and you got 20 houses, you got $200. So real rap, go out here really grind, go ask people to wash their cars. Start a homemade car wash for $5 or $10. Go out here, sell waters. Get you a case of water and then sell each water. A case of water is $3. You go sell water and shit for $1. You just came up fucking probably $17. This shit ain't hard. This shit is not hard out here. You just really gotta get to it. I've been grinding. I stayed down for a long ass time. I really done cut people off, friends off, family off. I done cut so many motherfuckers off. I isolated myself. I focused on myself. I stayed down. I ain't go to no parties. I ain't go to no I ain't do shit. I ain't drink. I stopped drinking. I stopped smoking. I just stayed to myself, just working out, coming to work, working out, learning different shit, buying different courses, watching YouTube videos. There's free YouTube videos that'll tell you what to do, how to get the bag. I started watching the YouTube videos, and they free. They gonna tell you how to get that bag. If you watch it every day, make it a routine, they're gonna tell you how to get that bag. And they're gonna tell you what they did and how they did it. So I just learned from them, from their experience. I watch them every day. I watch mentors every day on YouTube. So that really taught me a lot. And then I cut everybody off, so all I really do is I work, go home, I invest my money, I hit the gym, I try to eat healthy, even though I don't eat healthy every day. For the most part, I try to eat healthy, drink water, you feel me? And do what I need to do. All I drink is water. I don't drink shit else but water. You know what I mean? And I sit in rooms like this and I watch videos when I'm on break, watch videos, read books, study courses, mentorships, and that really gave me a head start in this shit, But as I'm doing all of these other things, as you can see, I still have a job. I'm not going to stop working my job until my investments and my assets bringing me enough money where I don't have to work no more. Right now, this is my main source, but I still have other things that's making me money. But it ain't enough money for me to quit my job, though. You feel me? You could start selling your old clothes, your old video games, stuff you don't want no more. You could put it on eBay, Facebook Market. Alright? This shit really easy out here. Like, I ended 2023 watching this, learning courses, watching mentorships, watching YouTube videos. And then when 2024 came, I took action. I wrote all my goals down in a book. I wrote my monthly expenses, everything down. And once I've written everything down, I go back each month and I'm crossing off different goals that I wrote down. And I'm accomplishing a lot. So I'm just telling y'all, man, if you really want to get to a bag, you gotta isolate yourself and you really gotta get to it and really gotta get focused. Like, pray to God, trust God, whoever your God is. Pray to God and trust God and stay down, stay focused, grind, and you got God with you, you're gonna go a long way. Stop drinking, stop smoking. You don't gotta stop drinking and smoking, you just gotta limit it. Because the money you're spending on that, you could be spending on putting it in investments. That way, if you did decide to stop working your job, at least you'll have other money coming in. Like, I mean, a lot of people from the hood, like me, we never really had the proper guidance on how to really, like, get rich. All we know is the streets, rapping, basketball, like, stuff like that. We never really had the proper guidance on you could get rich so easy. You could get rich so easy, like, it's not hard at all. You just gotta really, like, I don't know. But you just gotta really stay down, isolate yourself, get focused, take courses, watch YouTube videos, find you a mentor that'll really help you and show you what to do with your money, where to put your money, how to manage your money, and then you'll be straight. And you just keep doing that, turn it to a habit, stay consistent with it, and eventually your bank account is going to grow. Eventually your stash box is going to grow if you keep doing that over time, because that's what happened to me. I stayed down, I watched courses, they told me what to do, I did what I had to do, and eventually my shit grew. I could really do whatever I want to do. I mean, but the best thing to do is just stay down, continue to let it grow, and once you reach a certain amount, then you can start popping out and doing all that extra shit. But yeah, I was just like y'all. I was in the street. I was broke. I was trapping, trying to rap, thinking I'm gonna get rich from rapping. But it's like when you in the hood and you rapping, and you the only one rapping or something, the only one trying to do something, then motherfuckers gonna start hating on you and shit. So the best thing to do is take the quiet route, build your paper up, then pop out where niggas can't even fuck with you for real. But yeah, that's the little game I'm just giving y'all right quick. You know what I mean? Keep y'all head up, stay down, keep grinding, Try every day, grind every day. Don't waste no day where you just sitting around. Grind every day until you get at least 5K. If you ain't got 5K, grind till you get 100, then grind till you get 1,000. Keep saving it and find you different mentors. They got a mentor named Richard Fane. They got Guap Boy Mako. People like that'll help you like start it up. So yeah, man, keep doing what y'all doing. Keep grinding. Just get on y'all grind, man. Just get on y'all grind. Grind. That's today's word. Grind. But anyway, man, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on IG. Follow me on all social media platforms at Northside_do. And yeah, man, tune into my music. Northside do on Apple Music, Spotify, all that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.